Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Samsung S26 heating while charging. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and first understand that it's normal if you charge your device using fast charging. What we're going to do first is check for background apps that are using high power. We're going to go to the settings, and then in those settings, go to battery. Now in the battery settings, we have the apps right here. We can also go over to the background usage limits and select the apps right here manually. So the deep sleeping apps, we can add, let's say, Samsung Wallet, screen dimmer to it, separated apps, terminal, studio. Let's click add, and as you guys can see now, they are a deep sleeping app. And what we're going to do next is we're going to go over and make sure that we are using the original charger and a cable. So as you guys can see, I got the cable right here. It is not original, so I know that this might heat up my phone a little bit. Now, what you guys want to do after that is avoid your phone while charging it. So do not play games on it, do not do anything on it, because it's very important to let the phone give it some time. Like, it really needs the time to charge the battery. If you use it while it's charging, then the phone heats up, your battery is damaged, and everything else. So make sure to not do that. If you got a case on the phone, make sure to remove it. It's also very important to make sure that there's some airflow behind the phone and the heat is not trapped under the case. And lastly, make sure to charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area, because once you charge it up in a non-ventilated area and you charge it in the sun, for an example, of course it will be hot. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.